U.S. Carrier was founded in 1997 by 20 independent telephone companies in the state of Georgia, with the idea of providing them additional service and then providing services outside of their independent territory area. Since that time, we've grown more into a carrier's carrier, where we provide services to mostly all other carriers like ILEX, CLEX, wireless companies. We've got 3,600 route miles across 4 states, Georgia, Alabama, Florida, and Tennessee. We've got about 54 locations across those states. In the larger states, we've got metro rings that tie multiple locations back into our main switch area. All of our network is SONET protected, built-in rings, so that if we have a failure, we don't lose 400 cell sites for some cell phone carrier. Ethernet exchange to us is a way to connect wideband pipe around our whole network and connect all of our points of presence together. We thought about it a long time, and before we ever heard an Ethernet exchange, we were looking for something to do that because of the demand now for both quickly increasing bandwidth, the short time to market, and the ability to turn something up quickly with huge bandwidth demands from different customers between any of our points. We first looked at the models that people were bringing out. That was exactly what we needed. Most of the models were based on a routing type switch, which didn't fit our model. Once we found a way to do it with an optical switch like we normally, all of our techs and our NOC and everybody else are used to working with, then it was obvious that that's exactly what we needed to do within our network. It gives us a lot of flexibility that we didn't have before in the marketplace to bring services up quickly. Before, we'd have to engineer each circuit for that provider. And with an Ethernet exchange, once I'm able to complete my whole network and tie all of these locations together, and I'll have a big wideband pipe, then my network operations center can simply go in and program a VLAN across that and connect any 2 points together so that I can bring increased bandwidth in just a couple of days, where before it would take 30 days. We've been dealing with Cyan for about 2.5 years. I use them probably in about 50% of my network now. We've slowly rolled it out, replacing my older equipment. They've been a real solid provider. The Z series we've pretty much rolled out through most of our Georgia and part of our Alabama network now. We'll be into Tennessee and into Florida shortly. I think we'll probably roll out another 20% this year, and the remainder of the network next year all on the Cyan equipment.